Hello. Want to learn PHP in just one day? The one-day code, PHP Programming with Examples in One-Day course is exactly the opportunity you've been waiting for. Just one day, and you'll be ready to dive into the world of PHP programming. The price of this course, with the 40% discount Udemy is offering, is almost €12. But guess what? I'm giving you the chance to get it 100% free, without paying a single cent. Yes, you heard that right. Absolutely free. This course offers over 3 hours of comprehensive training, and upon completion, you'll receive a certificate that showcases your mastery of PHP. Open your browser, type gotodiscounts.com in the search bar, and click on the first link to easily navigate to the desired page. Make sure to enter the exact phrase as it is to be directed to the correct page. Then, click on the first link. On the main page of gotodiscounts.com, you can view the latest courses that Udemy is offering with special discounts and various coupons. To access the discount coupon for the desired course, simply click on the course link. Once the course page opens, you'll find all the details about the course, available discounts, and the expiration date. Be sure to check the expiration date, and to access the discount, simply scroll down the page and click on the Go to the Discounted Course button. As you saw, I was able to grab this course for 100% free through gotodiscounts.com. But this discount won't last forever, you only have 3 days left. Don't miss out on this golden opportunity. Act fast and make it yours. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more valuable content. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on any of our new videos. Have an amazing day.